This portable jump starter pack is going to be a lifesaver in any scenario where you need to jump start a vehicle or a motorcycle or a lawnmower or anything like that. It is suitable for gas or diesel. Any 12-volt battery, this will start for you. And the really cool thing is that it comes in this durable little case here. So you can see it's nice and hard, so you're not going to have to worry about it getting squished or broken when you have it stored in your vehicle. So you just open this up, and here is the unit itself. So you can take this right out of here. There's a little bungee strap to hold it in there, and this is the actual unit. So really easy to use. Let me turn it on here quick. I don't know if you can see that digital display there, but you can see the battery on here is 99% charged. There is a little flashlight on the end as well. And then here is the jump button. So all you need to do is connect the cables to this, and then whatever battery you're looking to start. It will start batteries that are completely dead as well. So put that back in here. And then on this side, this is your accessories pouch. So here are the jumper cables that come in here. So this just plugs right into that unit. There's a little spot for it. So you got your cables, there's a charging cord, and then there's also this cigarette light adapter. So any other accessories you may have that you need a cigarette light adapter or a cigarette light plug-in for, you can use this adapter to use this there as well. This also is suitable for cold weather conditions. So this will still function in about 20 below Celsius, which is about 5 below Fahrenheit. So in those cold mornings when your car is dead or whatever, this will still function properly, even if it has been stored in your vehicle and is also cold. And then it has 10 built-in safety features. So it's not gonna, overload anything that it's not supposed to. Has that jump start capability as well. So this is going to be a really great option, like I said, to save you in any circumstance where your battery may be dead. Right, so you can see that we have turned the unit on here, and the little flashlight does come on the end, which is really nice for when it's dark outside. We're just going to connect the ends to the battery terminals. Always red on positive, black on negative. And then this is the little end from the cord from the ends that we're going to put in the unit, and you can see how that lights up is ready. And you can see just like that, we started the car. You can let it run for a few minutes if you'd like with it connected, but if we go ahead and disconnect it here, we'll be able to pack this back up in the little travel case.